Hello guys, welcome to Lulu's Kitchen. Today let's make chicken and easy pizza. So as you can see, our dough is already mixed down. Deframe the dough and arrange it thoroughly and took it out of the bowl. Make sure it is well deframed and took it out. Then after that, we transfer it to a baking pan. Arrange the dough thoroughly inside the baking pan. Make sure it is well spread wide. And make sure the baking pan is well wet with oil. Then after enough arranging, after you have finished arranging it, this is the consistency you are going for. Arrange it thoroughly and make sure it is well spread wide. Then we'll go in with our tomatoes that is already prepared, pizza tomato. Add it and spread it. Make sure it is well spread and nice, just the way you are seeing it in this video. Arrange the pizza sauce, and the next thing we are going to add, then after arranging it, this is the consistency you are going for. Then you go in with some ketchup. Then I added ketchup. After adding the ketchup, then make sure the ketchup is well spread wide. Then the next thing we are going to add is the chicken that is already prepared. Add the chicken that is already prepared. Then after adding the chicken, then the next thing we are going to go in with is our cheese. Add the cheese and make sure the cheese is well added and nice. Make sure you add the cheese thoroughly. After adding the cheese, this is the consistency you are going for. Put it in the oven and allow it to bake on our own. After a while, as you can see, our chicken pizza is ready. So easy, so simple, and so amazing, guys. This pizza tastes so yummy, guys. It tastes so yummy, so soft, so nice, and so amazing. Guys, our pizza is ready. Come and eat with us, enjoy with us. Don't forget to like, don't forget to follow, don't forget to share, and don't forget to also subscribe. And I will see you in my next video. Remain blessed and stay tuned. Bye.